In this Google Meet video, you will learn how to create a Google Calendar event that includes a video meeting link and how to start a video meeting from Google Meet. So let's go and create a Google Calendar event that includes a video meeting. Let's go to Calendar, either by typing calendar.google.com in your browser's address bar or clicking on the apps grid on the top right and clicking on Google Calendar. Create a calendar event. On the guest section, click Add Guests and enter their email address. Note that when you add a guest to an event, a video meeting link and dial-in number information are added automatically. Click Save and click Send to send the invites. Guests receive an email with the event information and a link to the video meeting. Guests can forward the meeting link to other people. If someone who was not invited to the calendar event tries to join the video meeting, a meeting participant from your organization must accept or decline their request. If you need a quick answer from a team member, you can start an instant meeting in a web browser. It's important to note that you can send a meeting link to people outside your organization, but someone from within your organization needs to give them access to the video meeting. So let's get started. First, from your web browser, enter meet.google.com or look for Google Meet in the Apps Grid launcher on the top right. Enter a nickname or leave it blank to start your own meeting. Click Continue. This is a tip for you. You can pick any nickname and share it with other people in your organization as a fast way to join the same meeting. Click Join Now. To add someone to a meeting, choose one of two options, either copying the joining information and pasting it into an email, chat, or any other application to communicate with your team, or by clicking Add People and choosing one of the two following methods. The first is the invite section. From here, select the name or enter the email address of the person you want to add and click Send Invite. Or the second, going to the call section. From here, you should enter the phone number of the person you want to add and then press call.